and in an otter, and I personally been in a Fort Trilo.
He's coming back. Here he comes.
Whoa.
Jeez.